Namaskar and welcome to my channel She is Chirayu. I know by now most of you might have watched the movie Shersha and would have drawn inspiration from the movie in their own ways. I also have recently watched the movie and decided to do a little bit research after watching the movie. Research in terms of what? In terms of the real incidences, in terms of the extra information that I could get apart from that was being given in the movie. So I went on to different websites and also on the social media accounts of celebrities who were a part of the movie, the experiences and everything. I read about it, and it was a very interesting thing to find something, a letter actually, which was being posted by Siddharth Malhotra on his official social media accounts, and that letter was nothing but written by our own beloved Captain Vikram Batra when he captured point 5140, and that letter was being uploaded by Siddharth, but the letter was quite blur, and I had to zoom in, but the more I zoomed in, the more it got pixelated. So I decided to watch the movie and trace the dots back to where the incidences took place. So after watching the movie, the letter became quite clearer to me. Before that, I could have deciphered only 50% of the letter. So I decided to write down the letter to decipher it properly, and I have rewritten it, and I would be reading it to you. So let's begin. Letter written by Captain Vikram Batra to his brother Vishal Batra. 23rd June 1999. Dearest Kush, Hi. Trust this letter finds you in the best of health and high spirits. Hope you have received my previous letter, which I wrote at Moni's address. I am writing you this letter from point 5140 at Tololing, which you might be hearing about every day in the news. Yeah, you will be proud to know that we have captured it. Lieutenant Jamwal, which you had met at Shimla, and I had gone to attack it, and we captured it on 20th, killing 6 Pakis and captured hell lots of arms and ammunition. Whole battalion is very happy on our performance. We both have been recommended for Mahavir Chakra for this task, and have also picked up the rank of captain. Yesterday, I had called up mummy and daddy from this place as we got satellite phone for some time. So everyone got the chance to speak from wherever they were. I have also received letters from Nippy's parents, Omkar. Rest, everything is fine this end. Don't know about leave plan. Do give a call to Dimple and tell her about me, that I'm fine. And tell her about my achievement also. We have got congratulatory calls from Army Chief, AG, DGMO and other Army cadres from all over. Nothing more to write, so I penned down. Do reply soon. I'm writing at a height of 17,200 feet. Sorry for hand, as it's very cold here. Love always, yours, Love. Such an emotional moment when he might have written this letter, and this letter was received in a state where, those were the words, those were the exact words and the emotions that he truly felt at that moment. And it's very surreal that to read this letter. And I have literally read this letter for more than 10 to 15 times, and I could still get that same feeling whenever I read it. Movie Shersha has perfectly portrayed, Siddharth has perfectly portrayed the character, the real life character on the real screen. But unfortunately, why is it always has to be movies to enlighten us about our real life heroes? I mean, little on our part we do apart from watching the movies and just going and researching about the unsung heroes. I know there are many unsung heroes, our nations, who sacrifice their lives for our nation. So it's my I would like to urge, and it's a humble request that the lessons of the unsung heroes get added to the school curriculum, so that the young minds will get enlightened about the glorious history of our country that the army men have also contributed to. I would also like to take a moment and appreciate Captain Vikram Batra's family for encouraging him, for motivating him, and for supporting him to build and to manifest his dream into a reality. To support a strong man, it takes even a stronger family, and the support that was extended by his family was truly, truly admirable. I got literal goosebumps on my skin when I read this letter for the first time. Also, I got a bit teary when I read the last line. Sorry for the bad handwriting, since it's very cold here. How honest and humble this man could have been. The words expressed by him not only gives the insight of his life, the insight of his persona, but also shows the beauty of his heart. I feel very grateful that I could get a chance to see the uploaded photo of the letter, and then I could rewrite it. And I hope that I have not made a mistake in rewriting the letter and narrating it to you. Thank you for being such a patient audience and listening to it throughout. If you like the video, do share this video with your friends and family who have also watched the movie Shersha and who wants to see something more about it, more related to it, I would rather say. So yeah, signing off for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, peace and love from Sharayu.